Buongiorno, this is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, pronunciation videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this delicious drink that is made from iced and blended coffee by Starbucks all around the world. Those cold and iced drinks that we enjoy so much. How would you say it if you were to say it in Italian? Because yes, this is an Italian name. Well, that would be Frappuccino. There is a double P here, so you do want to insist on the double P, Frappuccino, and then double C in Italian means that you pronounce it like it was CH. So Frappuccino, Frappuccino. If you don't want to sound that dramatically Italian, it'd be fine in English or American to say Frappuccino, Frappuccino, but still insist on the double P and pronounce the double C like it was CH. Frappuccino, Frappuccino per favore. Frappuccino, please. Here are more videos if you like enjoying pronunciation videos. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Ciao, ciao.